Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are unboxing my haul from the Washi tape shop. So, I don't buy from them that often, but when I do, I tend to buy a lot. And I tend to like it a lot. Problem being, okay, so this is Serene Wide Washi tape. I don't think I bought like whole sets. I bought like specific pieces of sets. Um, so like, here's the box. Very pretty packaging. So this is not PET tape. And it is not individual stickers. So we will swatch that one, which is very pretty. One's Christmas. Here's another floral. This one's called Floret Trilogy Wide Iridescent PET Tape. Oh, I remember this one. This is gorgeous. So, in case you're annoyed that you're watching haul videos instead of advent calendars, here's the deal. I want to set up my planners, and I really want to set up my reading journal, and I can't do that until all of the pretty things are available to me. So I'm going to unbox them because you guys need content too. This is so pretty. Okay, we got another floral frost bloom wide PET tape. I don't really have much PET tape at all. Um, so when I found pretty ones here and in another place, would be another video. Um, I kind of went all in. Look at how pretty this is. Alright, I can't wait to swatch that one. And this one, I think I opened already by myself, just to look at it. So this is black and gold PET tape. So pretty. And this one goes with that. It is Rose Noir wide washi tape, gilded, which means it's got foil. And it should go with this black one. This is just washi. I don't think they're individual stickers. I could always be wrong, but it looks like it's just washi and not stickers. Um, so we've got more of these black florals. They're spread out a bit more, which is why I thought they might be stickers, but I guess not. I mean, you can always cut them apart. So those two go together. I think these go together in some way. Or, alright, this one is Serene Wild Iridescent PET tape. So much dust. Okay. This, there we are, is so pretty. So that one goes with this one. So those are a set. Black ones are a set. This one is Floret Trilogy Wide Washi Tape. So I think this one was the trilogy. Or no, maybe that one was. So this one was a one-off. Okay, and this one's washi. And it's like, I don't know, shiny. So there's the green. And then I'm guessing it goes through the colors, but we'll see when we undo it. And then We've got two more, and they are Christmas. And this one is Creekside Farms Wide PET tape. So it's really hard because there's so many like pictures. They're all kind of muddled because of the pictures underneath. So we're going to get a better look at this when we roll it out. And this one is Creekside Farms Wide Washi tape. So you can see it a little better on this one because you can't see really the designs through the back. And you see how like there's like North Pole and then the holly and then like the welcome home, like they seem like they should be stickers to me. They look kind of weird all together like that. I don't know. We'll see when we roll them out. So set, individual, set, set. Alright, and we've of course got the usual thank you card, it's got a discount code, and stickers. That's cute. You have to peel the backing off. I think we're going to have to go this way. And we've got bubbles, but you can just kind of push them out. Look how gorgeous that is. Like when you don't have the glare on it. It just melts into paper, which is why I'm like fascinated by this stuff. Okay. So I'll do my best to roll this one back up. Oh, and put this sticky thing back on to keep it in place. Okay, one down. Might need more paper. These are all really wide. All right, let's do these really pretty ones. So we'll do the PET and then we'll do the washi. So I was given to play with the corner and get it to roll up. There we go. Okay. And now we're going to put it down. And we've got bubbles. I'm going to have to learn how to do this. Just kind of, I think once you make a bubble, you're just stuck with bubbles. That's a shame. All right, so there's our tape with bubbles. I have to learn how to do this better. Put this sticker back on here to hold it. Okay, so this is the iridescent floral washi, which would look better without the bubbles down it. And PET, not washi. I don't think this stuff really peels up as well as washi. I think it probably will rip the page. It is a little bit. So I wanted to see if I could fix the air bubble problem. Just out of curiosity, if that could be done. Or if once you damage it, it is forever damaged. So I can still see the line from where the bubbles were. And there's still one over here because I didn't fix that part of the tape. But I got it out for the most part. You can still see it though. But it's okay. We are learning. That is the point. Okay, so now let's do the matching washi. Alright, so this is the washi, which obviously we can apply without danger of bubbles because it's washi. Put away that backing. Stick this back on. And there we go. So it is still iridescent because of like the leaves and the branches, but the flowers themselves, well, the flowers have some iridescence to them, but it's a very subtle as compared to this one that has like a lot of foiling and stuff in it. This one has less, but very, very pretty. We're definitely going to need more paper. Okay, moving along. We've got this blue one. We'll start with the washi tape. There. I think I'm going to start putting down like a little lettuce. We're going to need more paper no matter what. So we'll give up on that idea. You can just tear the backing off. That's cool. Alright, put our sticker back on. Trash. And here we go. This is the washi tape. And there's a PET tape, but we need more paper. Alright, it won't come off the backing, so I'm just going to show it to you. It's really, really very pretty. Has amazing foil in here. Very, very pretty. Let's see how far we go till we get the repeat. Here's the repeat. So it goes this far before it repeats. That's a crazy distance. Now I just got to figure out how to get it to come off its backing, and everything will be peachy. Now we've got the black set. We got some. In case anyone's been wondering about the swatch book, I have no idea where I put it. That's why you don't see it. It's here somewhere. Alright, so that's not quite as much of a letdown as I thought it might be. It's very pretty. It's black with that rose gold foiling. That's annoying. That's why I don't like backing. So, oh wait, but this is washi tape, not PET tape. So, I should have backed. Why is it ripping the paper? It's washi tape. The hell? Why is washi tape ripping paper? That is not supposed to happen, as we all know, but it's very pretty. Okay. Over there. Now we will attempt again to free a PET tape from its backing. And this stuff just seems to have like a mind of its own, and it's going to stick where it wants to. Don't want to cut paper, to cut tape. Okay, so it's pretty much exactly like our washi tape, except it's PET tape. Okay, we did that one, we did these. So now what we have left is Christmas. So we'll start with the Christmas washi. You can just cut these things apart, just you're gonna have to fuss over it, and you know, we all love fussy cutting stuff so much. So, alright, cut that. So you get that, and then it just kind of keeps going and going and going. Where's the repeat? Oh, good grief. There we go. Here's the repeat. So, here's the length of the washi. My goodness. Not including the part we cut off. That's like longer than my table, which is like 13, no, 9 feet? It's not longer than the table so much as it is almost as long as the table before you hit a repeat. That's crazy. But these would definitely be easier for some of them to cut them apart than do like this whole giant roll. Like, I don't think the giant roll thing is gonna work too well. So here's the portion that we put on the paper. I do like the trees very much. And the North Pole and stuff. I don't know how I feel about the birds. I don't really like them. So if I was going to cut this out, I would definitely like cut them out. But they're like little scenes. So you can just cut out whatever little scene or whatever little piece or whatever. It's just going to take you a couple minutes. All right. Christmas PET tape. So I am quite certain that this is exactly the same picture. Just like the others. It's just one is PET and one is washi. And I think there's good arguments for having both. Because the washi you can cut out like stickers. You could also cut this out like stickers, but I suggest getting it off its backing first. Unless you're really good at getting it off the backing, in which case, more power to you. This one was much easier to get off the backing. Much easier. And it's going to be just as long as the other one, so I don't feel compelled to unroll it all again. It does in fact look the same, or at least close to the same. I'm looking for ugly birds. Alright, yeah, there's the ugly birds. So yeah, it's just as long. It's the same scenes. It's just one is PET and one is washi, and I think that's pretty much true for all the sets that I bought, which is fine though, because I have different uses for these based on what I'm working with. So, yeah. You can even see like where they could be cut out to be stickers. I don't understand why they're not stickers. All right, and there's the washi and our black florals. I think these and this blue one, if I can ever get it off its backing, are probably my favorites. I really like this one too, but I like the others a little better, I think. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.